How often should I maintain my furnace? Regular maintenance of your furnace is crucial to ensure its efficient operation, prolong its lifespan, and prevent potential safety hazards. Here are some general guidelines for furnace maintenance. Annual professional inspection. It's recommended to have a professional HVAC technician inspect your furnace at least once a year, preferably before the heating season begins. They can identify any potential issues and perform necessary adjustments or repairs. Replace air filters. Check and replace your furnace's air filters regularly, typically every 1-3 months depending on usage and the type of filter. Clogged filters can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. Clean vents and registers. Ensure that vents and registers are clean and unobstructed to maintain proper airflow throughout your home. Check thermostat. Verify that your thermostat is functioning correctly and calibrated accurately to maintain comfortable temperatures and optimize energy usage. Inspect flue and ventilation system. Check for any blockages or damage in the flue and ventilation system to prevent carbon monoxide leaks and ensure proper exhaust. Inspect and clean blower motor and components. The blower motor and other internal components should be inspected and cleaned to ensure efficient operation and prevent breakdowns. Inspect gas connections. If your furnace runs on natural gas or propane, inspect the gas connections for leaks to prevent potential safety hazards. Test carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure carbon monoxide detectors are installed near sleeping areas and test them regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Keep surrounding area clear. Ensure that the area around your furnace is clear of any clutter or flammable materials to reduce fire hazards. Monitor performance. Pay attention to any unusual sounds, smells, or changes in your furnace's performance, as these can be indicators of underlying issues that require attention. By following these maintenance tips and scheduling regular professional inspections, you can keep your furnace running smoothly, efficiently, and safely throughout its lifespan. Contact Twintech today at 1-844-894-6832.